Are you watching a loved one, maybe a parent or grandparent, struggle with that stubborn belly fat that just won't seem to budge after 60? Or maybe you're just planning ahead, wanting to understand the science of healthy aging. It's a silent battle many face. They might be going for daily walks, trying to eat healthy, but still dealing with constant bloating, draining fatigue, and a soft belly that zaps their confidence. It feels like their metabolism has just given up. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful solution that takes less than 3 minutes to prepare each morning? We're about to break down a scientifically backed morning metabolism mix. We'll cover exactly what this drink is, what each of its 6 powerful ingredients does, how to make it perfectly every time, the best time to drink it for maximum effect, and most importantly, the science behind why it actually works. Let's get started with the foundation of it all, the first ingredient. The base of our powerful morning elixir is simple, yet profoundly effective: warm water. After a full night's sleep, the body is naturally in a state of dehydration. Starting your day with a glass of warm water is the fastest way to rehydrate every single cell, from your brain to your muscles. This immediate hydration jumpstarts your entire digestive system, waking it up gently and preparing it for the day's first meal. Think of it like turning on the engine of a car before you start driving. This process is crucial for transporting the vital nutrients from the other ingredients we're about to add, and it kickstarts the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to flush out metabolic waste that has accumulated overnight. Now, why warm water? Cold water can actually be a shock to the system, causing blood vessels to constrict and potentially slowing down digestion. Water that is too hot can risk damaging the delicate tissues of your throat and esophagus. Warm water is the perfect middle ground. It's soothing, it gently stimulates the digestive tract, and it enhances circulation without causing any stress to the body. For seniors, this is especially critical. The risk of dehydration increases with age, which can lead to cognitive fog, constipation, and joint pain. A simple glass of warm water first thing in the morning sets a hydrated, efficient, and detoxified foundation for the rest of the day, making every other healthy choice you make even more effective. Next, we add a vibrant splash of fresh lemon juice. This isn't just for flavor, it's a powerhouse of wellness. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that is absolutely essential for a healthy immune system and vibrant skin. But its role in our morning drink is even more specific. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in fat oxidation. Studies have shown that individuals with adequate vitamin C levels burn significantly more fat during exercise than those with depleted levels. By adding lemon juice, you're essentially providing your body with the tools it needs to use fat for fuel more efficiently. Furthermore, lemon juice is a fantastic supporter of liver function. The liver is your body's primary detoxification organ, and it works tirelessly to process everything you consume. The citric acid in lemons helps stimulate the liver to produce more bile, which is an essential fluid for digestion and the breakdown of fats. Despite being acidic in nature, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. This helps to balance your body's pH levels, creating an environment that is less prone to inflammation and disease. Critically, the vitamin C in lemon also boosts the absorption and bioavailability of the other incredible ingredients in this drink, particularly the curcumin and turmeric. For our mix, the ideal amount is the juice from half a fresh lemon per cup. This simple addition elevates the drink from simple hydration to a potent, liver-supporting, fat-metabolizing tonic. Our third ingredient introduces a golden spice with legendary health benefits: turmeric, supercharged with a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories ever discovered. Chronic inflammation drives many age-related issues: joint pain, metabolic dysfunction, and stubborn belly fat. Curcumin helps reduce this inflammation, easing joint pain, boosting movement, and resetting your metabolism. This is where the belly fat burning magic of the drink begins. Curcumin enhances fat metabolism by regulating pathways involved in fat storage and breakdown. But curcumin alone isn't easily absorbed. This is where black pepper comes in. It contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. Without it, most curcumin passes through unused. For this drink, use a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a small pinch of black pepper. This combo fights inflammation, supports joints, and activates fat-burning mechanisms. For anyone over 60 dealing with daily aches and slow metabolism, this is a non-negotiable game changer. The fourth ingredient adds a tangy kick with major metabolic benefits: apple cider vinegar, ACV. Be sure to use raw, unfiltered ACV with the mother, a blend of enzymes, proteins, and beneficial bacteria. One of its best effects is improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar spikes. As we age, poor blood sugar control can cause energy crashes, cravings, and fat storage, especially in the belly. A little ACV before meals lowers the glucose response, helping the body use food as fuel instead of fat. Acetic acid also promotes satiety, making it easier to eat less without feeling deprived. Older adults often suffer from low stomach acid, leading to bloating and poor nutrient absorption. ACV helps increase stomach acid naturally, aiding digestion and nutrient uptake. This could be the key to fixing persistent post-meal bloating. Start with half a tablespoon and work up to 1, always diluted in water. ACV tackles blood sugar, cravings, and digestion, 3 key pillars in fighting belly fat. Our fifth ingredient is a spicy root used for centuries to aid digestion and boost metabolism: ginger. Ginger is a carminative, meaning it helps prevent and relieve gas, making it excellent for bloating and indigestion. For seniors with sensitive digestion, it can be a daily lifesaver. But ginger's power goes beyond the stomach. It contains gingerol and shogal, powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. Like turmeric, ginger fights chronic inflammation that stalls weight loss and stiffens joints. It also has thermogenic properties, meaning it raises body temperature slightly and boosts calorie burn. Ginger supports fat metabolism directly. This combination of improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and boosted metabolism makes ginger essential for this drink. Use either 2 thin slices of fresh, peeled ginger or a 1/4 teaspoon of quality ginger powder. Either way, you're adding a digestive aid and fat-burning booster to your morning. The final powerhouse ingredient that brings everything together is cinnamon. This fragrant spice does more than add sweetness. It's a metabolic superstar. A major issue for people over 60 is unstable blood sugar. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar by mimicking insulin and improving how cells respond to it, allowing glucose to be used as energy. Stable blood sugar reduces energy crashes and cravings for sugary foods that cause belly fat. As metabolism slows with age, cinnamon helps food turn into fuel rather than fat. Choose Ceylon cinnamon or true cinnamon, which has less coumarin than the more common cassia variety. Use 1/4 to half a teaspoon. This ingredient regulates blood sugar and controls cravings. Key finishing touches to this fat-burning formula. Now let's put it all together. Start with 8 to 12 ounces of warm water in your mug. Add the juice of half a lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Next, add half to 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered ACV. Follow with 2 slices of ginger or a 1/4 teaspoon of powder. Finish with a 1/4 to half teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Stir well until dissolved. Drink slowly on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before breakfast. This timing ensures full absorption and primes your metabolism and digestion for the day. Why does this combination work so well? Here's the recap. You're starting your day by attacking age-related weight gain from several angles. First, ingredients like lemon, turmeric, and ginger support fat metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently. Second, warm water, ginger, and ACV reduce bloating and improve digestion, leading to a flatter stomach and better nutrient absorption. Third, cinnamon and ACV regulate blood sugar and fight cravings, avoiding the energy dips that lead to bad food choices. Finally, turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation, relieving joints and optimizing metabolic function. This isn't just a drink, it's a strategy. It improves focus, digestion, and energy. Try it every morning for 7 to 10 days. You'll feel the difference in your energy, digestion, and how you feel in your skin. Remember, lasting health comes from small daily actions. Taking 3 minutes to prepare this drink is a powerful act of self-care that sets a positive tone for your day. It's a small step, but small steps lead to big results. Start your day right and take care of yourself. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness tips to help you and your loved ones thrive at any age.